So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix DND automatically turning on Android phone. So many times you might have noticed that the DND on your phone automatically gets turned on. So how to fix this issue? For this, follow these simple steps. And for this video, we are using Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. So first of all, open the app drawer on your phone. And now open the settings app. Now scroll down and tap on notifications. After this, tap on do not disturb. Now, as you can see here, there are two schedules here. And these schedules causes DND to turn on automatically. So to fix this issue, simply turn off all the schedules. For this, disable the toggle next to the schedule. Like this. And this will turn it off. If you want, then you can delete the schedule. For this, tap on the schedule that you want to delete. And now tap on delete the schedule. Tap on delete. And this will delete it. So this is how you can fix DND automatically turning on Android phone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.